Hi, it's JoElla Milan, licensed esthetician, and today I want to talk to you about a product by Osmosis skincare. I've sold Osmosis longer than anybody. I've been with them since the beginning of the company, and I know their products really well, and I love what they do for the skin. One of the products I want to talk to you about today is Catalyst AC11. This is one of their most popular products, and it does so many variations of things. You know, it's vitamin C, amino acids, minerals, and it's wonderful for aging skin, for pigmentation, for acne. So just a little bit about just a little bit of everything. The thing that's nice with this too is that you can blend this with some of their other products. For example, with pigmentation, you know, you can blend this with Rescue for better results. Same thing for acne. You could add a little bit of this to your stem factor for a better result in your aging. So you just want to, apply just a small amount on your fingers and really massage it into the skin. It's very important. You want to massage it in and get it into the skin. And then another thing that really helps it penetrate is if you apply their clear afterwards and spray the face and just again massage it into the skin. And you're going to see nice results with this. And you want to give it at least 30 days, to try as you would with any new product. But this is one of their #1 products, and for a good reason. So if you have any questions, please get back to me. You can call me on my toll-free number, send me an email, send me a message at the bottom right of my website. And I'm really happy to help you. And I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you. Bye.